it'll come as no surprise when you tell me that we're through. But how can I stop loving you? You keep hiding your phone and turn it off when we're alone. It's as if you know she's gonna call while I'm not supposed to know about her at all. I can see it in your eyes, so it'll come as no surprise when you tell me that we're through. But how can I stop loving you? Is she someone that I know, waiting for the night I let you go? Or am I a secret to her too, and she hardly knows the real you? I can see it in your eyes, so it'll come as no surprise when you tell me that we're through. But how can I stop loving you? Now I look at every woman, wondering if she's the one, watching my life with you come undone. Yet you still reach for my hand, like you're not quite ready to be her man. But I can see it in your eyes, so it'll come as no surprise when you tell me that we're through. But how can I stop loving you? Guess I save you the trouble and say the words you can't get through. If she's already got your heart, there's no reason I should keep holding on to you. Can't you see it in my eyes? This moment should be no surprise. We both know that we are through. Guess there's nothing